I wake before the sun rises. Get up! Get up! It's time to work. These hands know what the day will ask. It is always there, waiting. We move together, without words. This rope connects us to the stone. One pull, then another. We pull as one, or nothing moves. They guide the movement without touching the weight. A pause, just long enough to breathe. And then we pull again. The stone feels calm, unmoving in its purpose.
The shadow grows as the day moves on.
The shadow grows as the day moves on. From here, it already feels endless. Stone and wood speak louder than we do. Our steps blend together. No path belongs to one. The rope moves, hand to hand. We don't know each other's names, only the work. It fits, and the work moves on. And then, it begins again. The sun pauses above us. We pause beneath it. This is what keeps us moving. It isn't much, but it is shared. Water is measured, one sip at a time. It never stays long. The break ends without a signal. We return to what waits.
And the stone moves again.
It vanishes, like the rest.
The rhythm returns, unchanged.
The light softens. The work stays firm.
Our shadows grow, quietly.
Higher, one stone at a time.
The sounds thin out, not the effort. This stone is done for today. No words, just a glance. The dust settles slowly.
The signal comes, and we understand. The day is done.
The path turns quiet. The day releases us, slowly. Night arrives, without hurry.
We rest without celebration.
Night covers everything. Evenly.
Tomorrow will look the same, and we will be there.